our next big renovation is. How big's that?
Not very big.
It's pretty tight. It's a tight corner around the tub.
And it gets kind of dark because the window light's blocked. This is our big, hunky, seafoam green 70s bathtub.
Say hello to my little friend!
Hello. And we now have a huge hole in our floor. We are not done tiling yet. We still have all this to do. The floor is not completely straight, so got this piece of wood down to reference off and work our way up.
We got these nice edge pieces that'll go along, and then we've got our nice subway tiles that'll butt up.
Aren't you excited for tiling?
I'm excited for it to be done. Okay, clean up. Aye aye, Captain.
That's beautiful.
called Free Spirit. A lighter version that's on the wall.
We bought this 100-year-old cast iron tub for just $150. And we're gonna restore it to hopefully give it another 100 years. Wonderful. Hopefully it'll last.
Tuck it in.
There you go.
You guys make it look light.
In this bag is truly a work of art. Solid brass.
I need a sink. We got this dresser and it reeked from cigarette smoke, so we had to strip it down and refinish it. But it was like $150 and it's the perfect size to fit in the hole in the bathroom. Now I need it to become a vanity. And that's your job. Also, some cabinet doors would be nice, so we have somewhere to hide the garbage can, and also for our taller cleaning supplies. And we were able to reuse the drawers from the old cabinet.
The financial freedom.
And it gets kind of dark because the window light's blocked. I like the purple. It's beautiful.